Hey everyone! Today, I'm super excited to show you this amazing AI tool that can create music. Yep, you heard that right. You can make your own copyright-free songs without being a music pro. And the best part? It's completely free, and you can use it right on your phone. Suno is hands down the best AI for music creation right now. It's totally revolutionized the music industry. With Suno, you can make any kind of music you want without needing to know how to play an instrument or sing. It can even create songs in different languages. What's your native language? Let's check out Suno's website, suno.com. You can listen to some of the songs other people have made. To start creating our own music, we need to sign up. Click on Sign In. You can sign up using your Google account or any other email. Alright, my account is ready. To create a new song, click on Create. Here, you'll need to type in a word, phrase, or sentence to give Suno an idea of what kind of music you want. Even if you don't have an idea, Suno can give you some suggestions. For example, since the Olympics are happening right now, it suggests creating a song about the Olympics. Or you could make a song about your mum, your partner, or a specific mood. I'm going to choose mood. It asks, how am I feeling right now? How do I want to feel? What's my favourite music genre? For the genre, I'll choose hip hop. Right now, I'm feeling sad. And I want to feel sad too. Let's click Create. Wow, it created 2 new songs super fast. Let's listen.
Lonely nights, no end in sight. Broken dreams feel so tight. Lost my way, can't see the light. Hiding tears in the night. Echoes of those words you said. Heart in pieces, painted red. In my mind, those memories spread. Lost my heart, my soul feels dead.
Spaceships in the night, blasters flashing bright, heroes rise up tall, empires gonna fall.
It totally captured my mood and wrote amazing lyrics. This is incredible. I'm using Suno version 3.5, the latest one. I can do something really cool with Suno. Let's make a song in Farsi since that's my native language. I'll type Ey Yar Ziba, which means beautiful beloved, in this box and click Create. If you turn on this option, the song will be instrumental. If you leave it off, it will include vocals. I'll leave it off for now. Wow, it created the song in less than a minute. Let's listen.
یار زیبا نگاهت آرام مثل خورشید صبح چشمانت خواب دلت دریاست فریاد باده ها با تو در رویا در میان سرما.
That's amazing! It's so professional. It has verses, chorus, and even a bridge. Unbelievable! You should definitely try making a song in your native language with Suno, and let me know what you think in the comments. Let's see if it can pronounce your language correctly. And, by the way, where are you watching this video from? I'd love to know. Let's listen to the second song.
ای یار زیبا نگاهت آرام مثل خورشید صبح چشمانت خواب دلت دریاست.
That one's great too. Another cool thing about Suno is that it creates a custom cover image for each song, which is really helpful. It also shows the lyrics here so you can copy them, and it gives the song a title. To download the song, click on these 3 dots and then download. You have 2 options, audio and video. With the first option, you can download just the audio file. And with the second option, you can download the video, which you can upload to YouTube, SoundCloud, or Spotify. It makes things so easy. The only thing is, if your language isn't typed correctly, the video might look a bit strange. But for languages like English, it's perfect. If you don't like a song, you can delete it. But I don't think anyone would want to delete these songs. Look at this. It says I have 30 credits. If you click on subscribe, you'll see that Suno has 3 plans. The first one, the basic plan, is free. That's the one I'm using. You get 50 free credits daily, which is enough to create 10 songs. Since I've requested 2 songs, and Suno created 4, it's used up 20 credits, leaving me with 30. The second plan is $10 per month, and it gives you more credits and allows commercial use. So, if you want to make money from these songs, you'll need to at least get the $10 plan. There's another way to create music with Suno. If you click on Custom, you can input your own lyrics, and Suno will turn them into a song. Read the terms and conditions, and click on Get Started. I'm going to copy a part of the lyrics from Adele's song Someone Like You. Then I'll paste it here. The Generate Lyrics option will automatically create a new text. Remember that text should not be more than 3,000 characters. Type the music style here, or you can choose one of these options. I'll type jazz. I'll also give my song a title here. Then click Create.
I heard that you're settled down, that you found a girl and you're married now. I heard that your dreams came true. Guess she gave you things I didn't.
You can also make it an instrumental song by turning on this option. Another cool feature of Suno is that you can extend a song. Click the Extend button next to one of your songs. Specify the starting minute for the extension. Then click Extend. Since the instrumental option was on, it created a vocalless song. You can even upload your own audio file and ask Suno to extend it by clicking Upload Audio. I hope you enjoyed this video. To support me, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. If you want to learn how to turn these songs into a successful project and make money, watch this video.